Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. So today in this video we'll see how to combine multiple lists to form a dataset. Okay, if you guys someone provide you multiple lists and they ask you to form a data frame in PySpak, so how to do that? This kind of question in interview will face. Okay, so we'll see today how to do that. Okay, so okay. So before starting with our today's video, I want to introduce our channel. Our channel is Cognitive Coders. Here we used to upload data engineering related stuff and interview questions. If you are preparing for a data engineering interview, you can follow our channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for getting updates. We have already uploaded 100 plus videos. Okay, so if you are aspiring a data engineering role, you can follow us. Okay, so let's go to our today's notebook. So here we have few list of data. Now we need to get the data like this. So how we'll get it? Okay, so first, what we need to do, I'll import few functions. Okay, from pyspark dot sql dot dot types. Okay, import struct type struct field because we will explicitly mention the data schema. That's why we need this type functions. Okay, if you don't know how to explicitly define the schema, you can go through our PySpak Databricks related playlist. There we have one video. Here we have one video to mention the data schema explicitly. How to do that? Okay, I will give you the link also in the I button. You can get it from there. Okay, so I have imported whatever data types it is needed. Okay, so let's do next. What we'll do first, we'll create our data. So we have three data sets, three list of data. So we'll zip it. First, we will use the zip function to zip the data. Name, age, and city. So what we'll do? Name, age, and city. Okay, we have got the data. Now we need to define the schema. It's a very simple thing. Just we need to know. You need to know the method how to do it. Okay. So what we need to do? Uh, for defining the schema, struct type. You need to use the struct type. Struct type. Okay. So bracket. Then struct fill. Struct fill for each and every column. We'll mention our data schema. So it will be string type will be true. We should keep the data all time. Okay, then once again we'll use the struct fill for mentioning the data type for other columns. Okay, age, then age is integer type. Okay, so it will be also true. We don't need any null value, that's why it is true. Always you need to provide value. Then what we need to do once again, struct field. Okay, struct field, next will be city. Okay, so city, it will be string type. Okay, it will be true. Okay, so here we don't need to keep it in commas. Okay, we can remove the commas. Okay, done. Now we can create our data frame. Data frame is as usual spark dot create data frame data, then schema. Okay, so df dot show, it's done. Okay, so we have this list of data and we have this code to get the list of data in data frame like this. Okay, let's run it. So we are getting error here, name, sorry, it is names, ages and cities. So we need to provide the same data list name, ages and cities. Okay, now we can run it. Integer type is not defined, it is telling here it is a spelling mistake. Type, once again there is a spelling mistake. Where is the mistake? Type object is not susceptible. Let's see. Where is the issue? Where is the issue? Okay. Okay. Here we have missed one parenthesis. We need to provide one parenthesis here. Now we can run it. We'll get our data. Okay. So we are getting our data. So Virat age is 35, city is New Year, Rohit is 36, Los Angeles, Gil is 25, and city is Chicago, based on the given list of data. Okay, so based on this way we can combine our list to form a data frame. Okay, I think you have understood the concept. Okay, so if you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for supporting us, as it is a non-paid initiative. You can understand our effort, I think. So please do like, share and subscribe for motivating us. So thank you for watching our video. Bye.